Hey you there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So I happened to visit to West Side and Home Center for some of my upcoming videos regarding kitchen and the organization. I found the collection of West Side to be so beautiful, so I thought I'll share whatever I saw there along with the prices. They had a huge collection of jute basket, be it if you want to use it for your laundry or just a decorative item or as a planter. The collection was really nice and at a reasonable price. These articles can be utilized for Christmas decoration. These were so heavy that I couldn't lift and check what are their prices. I have always been a fan of wooden lid, but I never thought that this would be so airtight. They also had a nice variety of table mats in jute. These are some beautiful plus decor items to be kept at the table. The variety of coffee mugs at West Side was really awesome, I would say. Like, look at this painting, look at this design, it's so pretty. Look at these beautiful measuring spoons. I found this set of metallic straw with this cleaner. These are some nice cutlery holders. These were so tight that I was not able to open with one hand. One thing to note here that all the wooden things were hand wash and air dry. So we have to be mindful of what things we are going to put inside these bottles and jars. And here comes the wooden section. I would say the visit itself was so calming. Most of the wooden items were instructed to wipe clean with a dry cloth, so I'm not sure how practical will that be. The dry fruit box was not airtight, so I think we can just use it for, to serve to our guest. Similar design, they had a box to keep rotis and chapatis, but I think again we can use it only for serving purpose. These are some white metal pocket friendly forks and spoon holder. And some more metallic jar with airtight lid. This is giving such a cutting chai vibes. They had a nice collection of all kind of coasters in different material. Although they had limited collection of decor item, but whatever they had were the best. I really loved the collection of Westside, be it decorative items or kitchen utility items. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.